Oh, now I'm in the green room. Shit, you know how we do. We got more work to put in. Hell, we don't just watch videos. We'll get in here and get active in the green room too. So, I'm adding water to the cups that I got going because I have autos in them. So if they ain't sprouted yet, that's why I'm continuing to water because I only had four that I had to put in final pots yesterday, but I got to keep more things going. So that's why I said, hell, my daily activities are active out here. I don't just sit up, get high, and watch videos. I'll be having to get up and put in that work too, right? Right. Especially since I'm gonna be busy this week with actual work. So, hell, we got a lot of things to get done and to do while we're at home. Keep things popping up. That way we'll have more things to put in flour. But yeah, we got plenty of things in the garden. We got our dragon fruit and our strawberries over there. And then our money tree in the background. Yeah. The cups is right there on the floor. I just watered them. Then our new booties is over here. Shouts out to the new booties holding it down over here in the VIP section. And of course, I just put some more water in the cloner too, because those two, I guess the water level wasn't good enough where their stems are getting appropriately hit. But then again, like I said, I did run the airlines yesterday too, so you can hear them bubbling. But yeah, they definitely ready to shoot out. That's why I'm like, let me try to get these to be a little bit thicker and shorter. So now I increase the air on them so those side tops are coming in. Since they coming in nice, that's why I said by the time I switch for flour, but yep. Now I just gotta water these strawberries. And I'll get a drain piece of water too, because hell, it's that time of day for them. Yeah, hopefully that keeps our humidity going up because it's about that time of year too where my humidity's gonna actually start going higher than it's been since it's been winter time. Cold air, low humidity. Imagine that, right? But like I said, that's the garden for the week. Y'all see what we're gonna have to keep track of this week. I might do some shorts, but probably won't because forget shorts is about a long